Welcome to CBS Automotive, and I'm going to be taking you through this beautiful Hilux that we prepared for a local airport. So on the side we've got livery down the side which is regulated by the airport authorities to make sure that the vehicle can be seen. On the side of the vehicle we've added lighting, so when the vehicle is used to make sure the runways are clear, lights can be independently put on either side to make sure the runway is clear. Around the back here is the most important part of the work we've done. We've created a bespoke light bar with airport regulation cap flashes on either side, going around 360 degrees, a left-hand turn indicator, a right-hand turn indicator, stop, and the most important one for the aircraft, follow me. Follow me indicator is in good bright yellow to match the flashes, and an aircraft would follow this vehicle to its end destination. We're proud to be working on vehicles like this. There's not many companies in the UK that do this kind of work, and we're happy to announce this one will be on a runway within the next couple of days. Thank you very much for watching.